Hey guys, it's Tracy and I'm back with another makeup organization video for you to enjoy. You know what? Since you guys are already here, why don't you just keep watching and I'll just put all this makeup away for you. You don't have to do anything. Just sit back and relax and I'll just see you guys over at the end, okay? So I definitely know that I want to keep this drawer open because this top drawer is going to be my everyday makeup drawer, and I do want to film a separate video of me just going through my collection and picking out my everyday favorites, and I will just use this drawer to rotate out my makeup and just to have something just for quick access purposes. So that will be this drawer. This drawer I really want to put my Juvia's Place, my Huda Beauty Obsessions palettes, more of the Huda Beauty palettes. I have this slightly larger one from Uoma Beauty, the Norvino palette, the Nabla palettes, and these palettes from Makeup Revolution. Maybe take these sideways. Like this. And stand those up. Stand this up. It's not gonna stand up. Aww, there has to be one. This is a new palette that I just picked up. It just came in the mail. Actually, this is upside down. This is a new palette I just picked up, and so we're gonna add this to the collection. So pretty. Last two. Finished. In this drawer, this is all of the smaller palettes. So I have them neatly aligned, and some of my storage containers did come in clutch. I'm very happy with the way this looks. So next we have my mid-sized palettes. So I like how that turned out as well. Okay, in this drawer we have the longer mid-sized palettes. So in the next drawer we have the larger palettes. Hi guys, so that is the video. This is the official outro because I forgot to film one. But, either way, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. It's just really a special thing to be able to share your interests with others who have the same interest. So don't forget to say hi in the comments below so that we can be introduced. And of course, as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.